Hello everyone, and welcome to the SIMmetry tutorial series. This tutorial on Best Path tool will provide you with the necessary steps to create a best path object into your project. This tool creates a best route from two selected locations that takes into account for terrain and objects. To access the Best Path tool, on the ribbon menu, click on the Analysis tab, then in the Terrain Analysis group, click Best Path. To create a best path, click Best Path and the Best Path property sheet is displayed. In the property sheet, set the required parameters. Then, in the 3D window, click to define the starting point for the path. Click again to define its endpoint. Once the best path has been calculated, it displays in the 3D window in the project tree as an object. If you want to edit its parameters and recalculate it, make the required modifications in the property sheet, and in the Recalculate path, click Apply. If you want to move the path, click the Edit Nodes icon on the top bar of the property sheet and move through the node point to the required location. Finally, close the property sheet when finished. Some parameters to note are the climb and descent slope limits. This value sets the slope or descent limit in degrees that no part of the path can exceed. Next is the sample interval. This is important because it represents the sample points along the path. The smaller the sample interval, the more accurate the calculation, but the longer it takes to calculate. And finally is the search area factor. This value represents the factor multiplying the distance between each 2 points given the length of the search area rectangle. The width is set to half of the length. We went over how to create a best path in our project. This concludes the tutorial on creating a best path. For more information, refer to Chapter 14, Analysis tab, in SIMmetry's user manual. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.